Alright, if I can do this right for you, we'll just try to show you how we can bevel that one shape in here. This little kind of curvature that's going around here. It looks like there's another little lip there, but I'm just going to do these here and then this slight curve here. And so basically what you want to do is you want to set up so that you can get your angles established first. So what I'm going to do is just try to get rid of this, and then I'm going to bring these in because there's a little bit of a curvature there. I mean, I could do the other parts too. Um, yeah, let's just do this for now. And then what you want to do is, because there's a slight curve along this edge here, you want to take this and you want to subdivide that. And then you want to establish your curvature by grabbing this and bringing it up slightly. Now, there's many ways to do this, but this is how I would probably do it. Then you can bevel it like this, and there's your first set of curves, and then Control Shift B again. There's your other curve if you need it, and then you can select all these and you can extrude them, something like this. I'm going to recalculate the normals, and then usually what I do is just a solidify modifier, and then you can bring it out like that. And as long as you have enough divisions here, then you can go ahead and take this, hit some smooth shading, auto smooth, and then it kind of smooths all that stuff out for you. So if you really wanted to, you could still put that other little curve in there if you wanted to. I'm just going to do it like this, I suppose. Constrain that. Maybe we'll just do this through here. Oops, I might not have cut through. Oh, I did. Cool. I'll just kind of bring that out just a little bit. And then we can just use this type of curvature here, and it gives it like that little kink, a little lip. So you just have to modify that the best you can. And so it does do this, it does a pretty good smoothing job all the way around. So just play with the angle. So to recap again, all I did was to take the initial little corners. I established the angles that I want them to go at. Then I established, the midpoint of this arc. And then I'll use the bevel, and you'll lose a little bit of it when you bevel it. You can see how it smooths out just a little bit more. And so, like, if I displace this up to here, it'll bevel down to here. So you may have to do that bevel operation by moving this vertex up a little bit further before doing it, so that it lands in the right place where you want it. But that's basically all I do to do those types of things, and it goes a little bit quicker than trying to do it by bending physically. So hopefully this helps a little bit.